Welcome to the first video on this channel. Today I'll have a go at making Canister Damascus for the first time. I filled the canister with paper clips and two 20cm steel nails, and I filled the gaps with steel powder. Here you can see a short clip of the welding process. I won't show more to not immediately embarrass myself, although this seems to look completely professional, of course. I first attempt to join the materials through raw force by hammering them. I did not use borax or anything like that. And of course I did not degrease every single paper clip. I only roughly removed the rust from the big nails. I hope that's good enough to allow the materials to join. But as a note from the future, it's not perfect, unfortunately. As I've already mentioned, this is my first attempt at making a Damascus knife, but I've watched nearly all episodes of Forged in Fire, so I'm basically an expert here. The piece of steel is still a lot thicker than it would normally be when I make knives, but I'm unsure how much of that is due to the canister, so I'll leave it like this for now. I'd rather have to sand more than have to leave a bit of the canister, which would destroy the pattern on the knife or risk not being able to harden the knife properly or something like that. I'm mostly done with the blade now, so I'll now work on the tang. There's still too much steel here as well, but as before I'd rather sand more later than remove too much now. The second lid is now coming off, so much for my professional welding seams, but the materials appears joined here too. I may have actually made my first Damascus steel. I should add that even while making this video I've not finished the knife yet, so there's still plenty of time for me to mess it up. But it looks good so far, doesn't it? I'm now sketching the rough shape into the blade, because I will now start removing the canister and shaping the knife. I decided to cut the tip out to avoid the risk of having some of the material that I can't harden there. I've cut out the rough shape now, and unfortunately there are 3 bits along the spine where there apparently was something in the canister. Maybe I missed a bit of rust or dirt which stopped the material from joining properly. I have no idea how to avoid something like that, so if anyone's got some advice, leave it in the comments please. I may be able to remove those bits using the bandsaw, but since it's the spine anyway, it's not the worst issue, I hope. I just hope it won't be too visible when the knife is finished. I'm currently building my own belt sander, but it's not done yet, so I will have to make do with the handheld sander for now. I've attached it to my workbench using screw clamps, but it's far from professional setup, as you might see. I'll stop part 1 here and finish building the belt sander. I'd be very happy if you join me again for part 2, hopefully with a proper belt sander then.